Hi, this is Olalumonokola from Lamp Media Touch. Today I want to show you how you can use envelope tool in Corel Draw. Follow along with me. The envelope tool can be located at the left hand side on the toolbar here, and it is part of the tools that are arranged under the shadow. When you come to this side, you see shadow, contour, blend, distort, envelope, extrude, and block shadow. So the exact one I want to teach you how to make use of it, how to apply it, is envelope tool. So envelope tool can be applied to either text or shapes. But let me start with text first. So I will need to type a random text on my workspace in order to apply the envelope tool and show you how it really works. So because Hallowen is being alright, so let me use the word in. Okay, I'm using this simply because right now on some part of the world this is being celebrated, so I'll be using or applying the envelope tool to this particular text. So first thing I will need to do is to change the font of the text to some Scoopy text. So I like this one, Crusty Rock. I would like to increase the height a bit, so I will have to be careful so that I will not distort the font. So the next thing for me is to now apply the envelope tool. So in order to apply the envelope tool, you come here. Since it is arranged under other tools, you have to long press the tool or the small arrow under this shadow, then you move down, long press, release your mouse, and move down to envelope tool. So with this, once you click on the envelope tool, there will be an imaginary banding line that will go around your text, and if you choose shape also, it will also appear like that. So when you look up to the property bar here, the settings here have changed to that of the envelope tool. So all the items here can be selected in order to make a particular change to your envelope design. So this one are like, they are presets that you can simply click on and apply it to your text. So let me choose this circular to see what the text gives us. So when we choose rectilinear, it gives us a kind of curve around here, and below are the corners. You see this kind of curve. If we choose rectilinear slant, you see what it gives us. If we choose pinch, you see what this one also gives us. And we choose push down, you see what it gives us. Even if you make your mouse to be on the text for a while, you will see a preview of what the text will look like. So in order for me to achieve that popular Hallowen typography, I think I will need to choose pinch. There are some other settings that affect the way this thing is arranged. That one is called the mapping. So this is mapping right here. So if you choose horizontal, it means that the text will be mapped horizontally. So the effect you are applying might not really have effects on the text that much. But if you choose original, it will give you the exact settings that you have applied here. And if you choose 40, it also asks what it will do, and we choose vertical, it also asks what we do based on the position of the nodes and the extension. So all the things that are around here, they are like nodes that you see when you convert your shapes to curve. So you can simply make some adjustments. If you are not using this preset, you can make your own adjustment by repositioning the nodes to your desired position. So until you get the shape that you want, you can continue adjusting the nodes, you can adjust the extensions. As you are doing that, you'll be able to create a particular shape that you want. Then all these nodes are converted to straight line, curves, smooth and symmetrical nodes are also applicable. When you click on this symmetrical node, it means that whatever you are doing to this extension will be applied to the other extension. When you select this symmetrical, let me select this symmetrical node, I'm adjusting this extension to the back, the other one to the left is also extending backward. So this one, smooth node, is just the movement up and down. It will not go sideways with it, but if you are moving it up and down, the other one on the other side also moves. So this one is the cusp node, in which the other extension will not move, but when you are moving this one, only this one moves. So that's how you work. And if it is straight line you want for your shape, you can just change this line to straight line here. Just click on the line, then click on straight line. You can add node by clicking on this green button here, or remove a node by clicking on the red button here, and you can simply double click on the line to add the node, or you double click again to remove the node. So that's that about how you create your envelope shape using the envelope tool. So we can return back to the presets that we have used before. Pinch, it will discard all other settings that we have done, since we have not applied any other thing. Because with this one now, if you come to this place, we can add new envelope tool, so that we override the one that we have done. So it means that we won't be able to undo the one we have done before. This one will just override it like that. So this one will just override it like that. Then if you want to keep the lines of all your shapes straight, just click on this one, so the shape will still be straight while you are adjusting all the lines. In whichever way you might have adjusted your shape, the line will still remain straight. But we don't need this one now. So that's how you apply envelope tool to text. This can be applied to shape also, but since shape also, since we can simply convert shape to curve, so we don't really need to apply envelope to a single shape, unless you have a shape and a text joined together and you want to apply this effect. But for this purpose, I'm just applying this to this typography. If you have seen different flyers of Halloween, you would have seen this kind of typography form in Halloween flyers. So that's what I'm trying to achieve. So another thing is that you can have a particular shape and make your envelope take that form of shape. How do you do that? So let me just pick a random silhouette of pumpkin shape. This is a vector already. I've converted it to vector. So I would like to type just a text that is also common with Hallowen bows. So I will change the font to, let me pick this one. I like to make it big so that it's almost fill the shape that I have here. So what I'm trying to do is that I want this text to take the form of this shape. So how do you do that? You go to envelope tool, then you come to this place, create envelope from this shape. So that's just what that one simply means. So it means that you've already selected your text, then you come here and click the button, then you click on the shape you want the envelope to be formed from. So let me click on this shape now. You see now, wow, the text has taken the form of the envelope that I have here. So there are some other settings that you can still make, like adjusting these ones, the mapping, how the text are arranged in that shape. You can select this one, potty, you can select this original, squeezed everything together. So it means that we cannot use this one. We have different options. You can try this horizontal, it's still not giving us what we want, so you can just simply select potty. So this one gives me something close to what I want. I think I like this one. So I've made a simple envelope from this pumpkin shape. You can see that the shape is just exactly like the shape of the pumpkin. If you move it up and place it inside the pumpkin, you see that it's taking that form. So let me try to change the color of that pumpkin to see how perfectly it fits inside it fits on the pumpkin shape. Now let me go further and give my typography some more design. So like this one, you can add a fonting field by coming down to this interactive field. You click, then you add the fonting field, so in order to apply gradient. So in this case, I would like to add some orange. Click on this place, this colors node will come up, so you can click on it, then you come to color picker here. So here you can adjust the hue to yellow, then you adjust the saturation and luminance from here. So I want the node at the edge here to have some red in it. So as I'm doing that, you can simply preview what you want. So you can also study the values of the colors that you apply here. So what I just apply here is 60, magenta, yellow, 100. So in case when I get to this side, so I'm done with that side. So with this side also, since the color has not been created here, you can click on the node again, come down to the swatch, then ensure you are on the color picker, then do your adjustments. So from our previous selection, we pick 60 and 100 for yellow. So I think that's that. So at the center, I will need another color too, a lighter color. So since there is no node here, you have to apply a new node. So to apply a new node, simply double click on the line. Since we have the same color here, and the same color here. So you have to go back to the node, click on the node, the color swatch will show, then you adjust the hue. So that's it. Let me give my design a black background to see how it look like. So that's just it. So Halloween books. So that's how you apply envelope to your text. I hope you've learned something in this short video. Please subscribe to encourage me and to learn more. I look forward to see you next time.